Before we get into some new material, I would like some redemption in my shopping cart project demo. So when I was storing these Mentos in our Google Sheets database for the shopping cart project, we know that we can use the barcode scanner to figure out what the unique identifier of any product with a barcode is. And so we know that we're asked to, like, the clerk can scan some products, like any of our demo products, 1 through 20, like 1 and 18. And all right, here we go. Hopefully, if this works, this Mentos will show up. All right, so we actually see the Mentos and the demo worked great. So now we can say done. And we have that receipt, although mine doesn't look complete. Eventually we could send that receipt via email. And you'll see in my email our receipt with the Mentos. All right, now I can drop the mic or drop the barcode scanner, I guess.